What's the connection between this man and these dinosaurs? Well, because dinosaurs don't exist today, we can't film them, so we have to create them on a computer. It's called an animation. When animations are made, it's not just the picture which has to be created.
My job is to create sound animals make in animation. For example, I worked on the truth about killer dinosaurs. Sound is very important, and without it, pictures wouldn't seem real. I get the picture without sound, and I have to think of ways of making that sound up. For example, if an animal is drinking at a river, I have to think of a watery noise that could match those pictures. If a dinosaur is eating another dinosaur, I am thinking of ways of how to make that dinosaur sound as if it's eating a bone. Like, for instance, I might use a cabbage or a piece of wood that breaks or even a piece of celery just to create the impression that that bone is breaking. Once I get the sound, I have to check it against the picture to see if it sounds like it should. Sometimes we use things that are similar to what the animals are doing, and sometimes we use things that are so different. For example, an animal could be eating a plant, and I may use a videotape to create that sound.
What's Yovan doing now? The sound of a small dinosaur running away. But some dinos are very big, and their footsteps need to sound very heavy. So how did Yovan make that sound? Banging a big log on some earth will make a heavy sound. But this dinosaur also has scratchy claws. So Yovan banged the log on some gravel to create a scratchy sound. But now this dinosaur's walking on snow.
To create the sound of an animal walking on snow, I will get some salt and put it in a pouch, and then I will crush and grind that salt together, and that will give the impression of an animal walking on snow.
Listen again. Does it sound right?
When somebody walks away from you in real life, their footsteps get quieter and quieter. So to do this, I bring the volume further and further down, and this will give the sound of a dinosaur walking away from you.
So next time you see an animation, remember the real star. Now it's your turn to do Yovan's job. Have a go at making some sound effects for this sequence.